get baptized and you ain't going in the water.
It's too cold in the water right now. Alright, the light's on. Ready to take picture time. Alright, good. We're at the ocean now.
And it's freezing.
It's freezing when it's Atlantic. It's cold. It's Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, you know. We're in Massachusetts right now, in Beverly, Massachusetts, on the shore. It's awesome.
Anytime soon.
I found some seashells, Daddy.
She's finding seashells, she said.
I found a little one.
She found one. Put your foot on, please. It's so cold out here right now. And people want to run in the sand like it's summertime. The water's right here. You can't really see it because yeah, it's dark. Really dark. Get closer to the water. Get closer to the water. Get closer to the water. Going to the beach now. Trying to come up on me now, acting like they something. It's getting cold. Yep, it's getting cold. Oh Lord. Oh. It's good, you know. We're out here. Yeah, okay, it's time to go. It's time to go already. Yeah, I'm cold too.